my friend sent me a message about what she's doing for her eyeshadow, and I kind of loved it, so I'm going to give it a try. So for mine, I'm going to use Palace. I'm just gonna take it and go right here on the inside corner of my eyes. Blend it out. You just need the tiniest bit. It's kind of like a magic eraser to brighten up and even out that part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with Wildflower all over my lid. It's actually one of our lip and cheek colors. I'm obsessed with it on my eyes. I'm going to take my setting powder. I'm gonna go over that. Now I'm going to take the shade August, which is kind of like a purpley color right there. So these are all the colors I've used on my eyes, these three. Wildflower, and that's August, and that's Palace. So that none of them are our eye colors, which is totally fine. That's the beauty of this makeup. So then she goes in on the outside corner of her eye, which that brush needs to be. August is pretty light, so you're not really gonna see a lot of it. It's just gonna kind of define that outside of your eye a little bit more. And if you have green eyes like I do, it just kind of makes them pop. So same thing on this side. Go into August. It's not very dramatic or drastic or anything like that. It just kind of makes your eyes pop a little bit.